Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kennedy J. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a New Year's reset kind of thing, hopefully, unless I change my mind. But right now I'm finna get ready to go to it's like at Cascade Park, and they're doing like fireworks since it's gonna be a new year. And so I just put on this black crop top, my pink sweats, and this black purse. I didn't want to wear like a white shirt because then I was gonna have on a black purse. That one gonna look. I'm gonna just go ahead and put on my spray and stuff, and I need to put my jewelry. I'm gonna put on some black socks. I'm so glad I got this new pair of socks. I mean, this new, like, I got a bunch of socks now because all I gotta do is pull my drawer out and put them on. That was definitely needed for the new year. And then I like topping my scents. So like I put this on first after I put on my lotion. Then I put this spray on with the cream. And then sometimes I also put on my Yara. But I put the Yara on my neck because it's a roll-on perfume. So I just love this kind of scent. Like, yes. I don't want to cream now. Okay. I don't know what I want to wear my hair. I need to go put my jewelry. So let's go do that. I have posted 2 days in a row. So yeah. Clock that. Yeah, these braids are leaving though. That's part of the New Year's reset. This hair gotta go. So I'm just gonna put on my jewelry. You know. My next set is definitely gonna be some short nails. I had cut these down. This is how short I want my nails set. Real nice and short. But I got a fungus on this finger, so I can't get my nails done until it goes away. So, due to the salon being nasty. So yeah, if y'all know me and y'all know where I live, don't go to the one in the mall. Well, don't go to a mall salon if anywhere you live, you know. I feel like it's self-explanatory. I'll show you what I have one. But anyway, oh my god, my necklaces I got tangled. I guess see the only one that won't even wear already. My necklaces get tangled. I look you just be shaking them until like they fall out. It's time to straighten my edges again. They even beat up this. They beat up. Almost. We gotta think fast. Like, should I just do? I don't know, like, I think I can do this again. Don't hurry. I'll catch y'all later. Hey y'all, it's currently January 4th and I'm finally back. I haven't seen y'all since the day before New Year's. Cause y'all, I've been so busy, like I haven't had nothing to really record for y'all, like, cause I've been doing hair and then I've been trying to get myself together so I can get the stuff I need to record for y'all. Cause I need, in this vlog, it's gonna be like a New Year reset / maintenance kind of vlog. Cause school is next week. On Wednesday, we go back on Wednesday. I need to do my hair. I am taking a nail break because with my last set, I told y'all, them people gave me a fungus at that nail salon. And so, you know, when you get the fungus, you can't get your nails done again until it grows off. So it almost grew off. It's literally almost there. It's not really there no more because I've been cutting it down and stuff. But it spread it to my other nail. So either way, I have to wait So I think it's best if I just go on a nail break right now, as much as I want them done. But today I'm going to be taking down my Christmas decorations. I really don't want to, but it's that time. It's a new month, so I'm going to take down my tree and my little area over there with my vase and my snowflake and my little tree and my candle. Yeah, that candle used to smell so good. Also, like, in this vlog, I need to make a checklist of everything I need to do. Honestly, I be cleaning my room like every few days. So like when it comes to like resetting my room, I already be clean for the most part. It's not really nothing much I can really clean. I vacuumed last night because I did hair, and that did feel like just picking up the camera showing me vacuuming my room, because like I don't know, but like I really vacuumed my room. I washed my sheets the other day, but I think I'm gonna wash them again because I think I just need to wash them again. And I did clean up my mirror, but I'm gonna clean that again because I see some smear marks and we ain't tolerating none of that. See my little hair bag down there. And I gotta take these ornaments off this tree, and then after that I'm gonna make a checklist of everything else that I need to do. Also need to get some more hygiene products, so but I think I'm gonna include that in this video because, you know, new year, you know, getting you some more hygiene stuff, even though that's monthly. But I am running low on a lot of my stuff, and I want to restock. I want that to be a part of my new year, so I'm restocking on stuff. And yeah, I want to get like a pink cover case for this camera. So I think I'm gonna also invest in that because I want me a cover for my camera. But guess y'all, how is y'all New Year going so far? I'm gonna sit down and talk to y'all about that like later on when I'm not like doing all this. And then I need to take my hair out too, because I be procrastinating. Like I do not feel like taking this all off by myself. If I see my boyfriend today, he gonna have to help me because I'm not taking this all off by myself. So yeah, I really don't want to put this stuff up because like I just love my tree. But it's time for her to go. It's time for Tree Yellow to go. So I'm gonna put them back into this box. And yeah. Y'all, I'm done doing that. Now I'm going to take the ribbon off the tree. I don't really know how to save this. I don't think I really do. There's not much you can. Plus, I don't even know how I'm decorating my room next year. Like, I don't know if it's gonna be pink. Gotta see when that time comes around. Oh. Take these out. Okay. And I'm gonna go get like a box to put all the decorations in because I still gotta put those decorations up. So yes, I'll be back with y'all. Ooh.
Give me that. Yeah.
You sure you don't need to flatten that tree?
How am I gonna flatten it? Cause I don't know how to take a tree down. That's what we're doing.
But what if you...
Hey, stop. Get out. Go. I feel good.
Stop at me and shot like I don't contribute to anything.
Oh, good job. Yeah, or I did it. We did it. What is it? We or I?
Me. Let me do it. I know how to.
It's not even.
Wait, how do you even?
I really don't know.
Close it. I forgot how it came.
Ain't like that.
But like this not gonna stay.
Put the box on top of it, then it'll stay.
What box going on top of this? Well, it don't gotta stay, but
Exactly.
it was duct tape closed.
Go get some more duct tape and close it.
Damn, it's in my hand, actually.
Some junk. Get away from me. I don't like you. Oh, I don't like you over here.
Yes, you do. It's my camera. Forgot I could just take it. Anyway.
You can just take it.
Ooh,
taking
my fan in my room and stuff. Alright, anyway.
So.
No.
Okay.
Stop playing.
You don't want people to know that I'm over here?
It's not that, but that was ugly.
Okay. You're not ugly, dude. I don't think anyone thinks you're ugly. They say you ugly then.
Scared to unlock my phone. Oh, you were having a moment with him. Dang, your pants was all the way down.
You scared to unlock your phone?
Where you going?
I was gonna go sit over there.
Okay.
You scared to unlock your phone?
He said you do too much. It's too big, or it's already on. The light's already on.
No, I just like, cause you know I don't like them all the way up here, so you know.
And yeah, they high waters when you do that. So yeah.
Sag them a bit, you know. Put some piercing. Why are you laughing at me? I almost got hurt from your belongings, and if I would have got actually seriously hurt, you would have been sued.
What?
Heard that up.
I don't have one.
Alright.
I'm just fine.
Definitely not gonna do it. And I'm definitely not gonna be able to do it.
That's not how you're sliding it down or up.
What you mean?
See, you slide it up. I'm gonna you slide these down. Yeah, you slide it down.
I ain't gonna take.
Mom, I'm bringing it. You said that. No more. Why is my rack moved?
Because.
Well, stop moving my stuff.
Okay. You're not though.
Put my camera down, cause this is a New Year reset video. So what you?
Oh, so I can't be in it.
You're gonna be in it when you help me with that tree.
I already helped you. And don't kick me. And flip you around. Don't record me bonding.
Nobody was worried about you.
Look. Let me throw him in there. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3.
Don't pull away from me. Cause this is matted. Hair all different lengths.
Too straight in my hair.
That's impossible.
No. I could wash it and blow dry it and then come to you.
If it even... Do you wash your hair? And it still look like this? Yeah, you're cooked. Oh, you got your beauty mark right here too. You know that isn't a mole, that's a beauty mark.
What'd that do?
It does something. Don't touch my hair.
She's a spirit. Why you?
This is a part of my New Year thing. I'm doing a more therapeutic thing, you know. When I get angry, I just scoot away and look outside.
Okay. So while you're angry, I'm just gonna come over here and lay down. I got it.
Anyways, y'all, we can be at 4K. Period.
What you at?
3,889.
3,889.
What's to hit 10K this year though?
3,889. Now you at 3,888.
Oh, it turned pink when you do it.
It's for everybody else.
No, it's not. I subscribed to somebody that was a rainbow.
Can I see what I'm working with? I feel like heavy.
I'm not in the mood to take my hair out. And I gotta take, I was really supposed to take my drug test today, but that's a 4-hour course. But I didn't take it because like, I just don't feel like it right now.
I would have helped you.
It stays 4 hours long.
Like 4 hours, like
Yeah.
it's time for 4 hours. Guys, she's tape on 3. Good job. Wait, is it recording? Is it, look, is it recording?
Like, there's some stuff in it.
Why are you cutting it at the bottom? Cut it like right.
Now I'm gonna be fighting this box to open it next year. Cause of you. You told me to do this.
Where did you take that? Close. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there go my stool right there.
Kendi, I really hope you're not recording.
You gotta pick the...
I know what I'm doing.
And then put it on top.
I know.
You know, people who can't accept help are people who set up for failure. Okay, yeah, now put that on top of the white box. Thanks. Okay, hold on.
Why you left?
So I can get my ornaments. I can put them up there. I can put my ornaments up
My
there.
fault, OG. Fault, little brother.
You good, little bro?
Put it up. Since you can't reach.
Okay, bring my other box out there. My silver box. Yeah, go ahead and get those things.
It's high. It's free. Here.
Huh?
Right here.
You seen them? What I was doing? It's gonna be laying on the box. Like, give me that. Just don't worry about it. My handy dandy stool.
Still can't reach it.
Shut up.
Let me see it.
No, because it's gonna...
I can reach it and you're just... and I could just go on there. So if you were...
Or maybe I should put it over here.
Gosh.
It's making me hot.
Let's wash out.
Wait, can I put my pillow up there?
Alright.
If this don't stay, I just...
Nope. No, it's gonna stay in. There we go. No, you should. Don't touch it. Watch out.
It's gonna fall from impact.
I feel like I'm about to fall.
Wow. No, it's not.
It's not gonna fall. Oh, it might fall. Yeah, you're right.
Ugh, like that.
Oh, okay. IQ. Nice.
And then, I don't know where this gonna go, but...
Just put it right here.
Ooh. Oh. Wait.
Okay.
I need to go up here.
This is gonna stay right there. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Mom would just... We got a vacuum though. The stuff up. Oh, it's currently the next day. And it's like 1 something. I don't know what time it is exactly. But I'm getting ready to go run a few errands. Y'all, this just smells so good for real. Like, no, for real. I can put on both of them because they both remind me of like vanilla. So it just complements each other. I like color cut like this. Yeah, I get her from this. Honestly, I got on all black. Y'all got on the black shirt, purse, and my Nike sweats because, yeah. And then let me grab some socks, you know, some black socks. And I had to put all this stuff on top of my closet yesterday. But Cameron helped me and then my dad helped me we had to move some more stuff around. But yeah. So got my socks on now. And I just need to take this off. Oh, ignore the shirt underneath. I ain't probably taking it off. Come out soon.
What's your boo? Wait for me.
Get some here in the store. So it's super lame. So about stoplighting.
So don't cut it?
No.
Why though?
Cause I don't know.
Dread.
Well, it is your hair.
Free.
It's your hair.
Free. Oh, so this thing gonna be ugly. Like,
I don't think you're gonna be ugly.
You said that.
I never said that. I said.
You said it's gonna be ugly. It's freak.
No, I didn't. Yeah, get a rush from this.
Coming for it.
Come on, it just gonna melt as soon as I. I'm not doing it for real, cause I get a rush from this egg.
Like, if I had no dreads, I think I'll look like this.
I'm gonna just get one. What's that one? I need to find a locks. Cause the ones I got at home is like I think 40 or 36.
Huh.
I think the pack of hair I got at home is 40. Oh.
More than likely, but I'll let you know.
Okay.
Tap.
Go ahead and press yes and then you can tap whenever you're ready.
I've been on the road too much. Had to get back to you. Bad do you? Can't even play it cool. Thinking about them nights I would have really been with you tonight. I wanna have some
currently the next day, not the next day, it's currently 5:24 and I'm doing my hair, y'all. It didn't even take that long. I still need to put the foam wrap and washing on it, but I'm finna get ready to go to this game. Let me see how cold it is outside. 47. Whoa. Okay then. But I don't know what I want to wear, y'all.
Just wanna make up a lost time tonight.
Hey besties, I am back and it's been like some days later. I really don't know. Today is the 15th, y'all. Today is the 15th and I don't know when the last time I talked to y'all. I think it was around the time I was doing my hair and stuff, but I don't know really if it's gonna be like a reset or like lost files. I don't really know what it's giving, but it's after school. I was gonna go to track today, but my ankle is pretty swollen, so I have to like rest on it for a little bit. But I just want to come on here and show y'all these nails that I got from Shein, because like they don't, I'm gonna show y'all what it comes with, something like that. I think it's handmade, I'm not sure, whatever. It's handmade nails. So it comes with this sparkly cuticle push-ups. I think it's for your cuticles if I'm not mistaken. A file and these sticky tabs. Also pink one, and this on that side. So I'm gonna take these beats off because I be talking way louder with these beats on. But yeah, these are the nails. Is it on focus? Okay, I'll see that. Yeah, and it is so cute. Like, I'm not using the sticky tabs coming with though, because I just don't trust that to like hold my nails. These are personally cute in my opinion. We're gonna hope they fit my nails because I have like small nail beds and stuff like that. I'm gonna use my nail glue that I've used all the time. I was gonna use my mom's, but baby, them gonna stay on forever. I ain't really looking for forever. Like that nail glue. I don't even do this shit, but I walk in here and vlog. I don't have nothing else to record for y'all. So if y'all have made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for all of my upcoming videos, and make sure y'all catch up on all of my recent uploads, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.